Hello students, in this video I will teach you about the loudness and pitch of the sound. First, we are going to discuss about the loudness. So what is loudness? It is the physiological response of the ear towards the intensity of the sound. It distinguishes between a loud sound and a low sound. Loudness depends on two factors. Number one is intensity of the sound. As we know, intensity of the sound is directly proportional to the square of the amplitude of the sound wave. So, if the loudness is high, that means the amplitude of the sound wave is also high. Loudness is also depend upon the sensitivity of the ear. So, if you see this figure, this show the wave shape of the loud sound and the soft sound. Soft sound has a small amplitude. That's why they also possess a small intensity. And louder sound has high altitude and it also possesses high intensity. That means loudness depends on the intensity of the sound. Sometimes when two sounds are of equal intensity, we may hear one as louder than the other because our ear detects it better than the other sound. So we can say as loudness also depends upon the sensitivity of the ear. So the louder sound has larger amplitude and larger intensity, and the soft sound has a small amplitude and small intensity. Next, we are going to discuss about the pitch of the sound. Pitch means shrillness or flatness of the sound. It depends upon the frequency of the vibration. If the frequency is high, the sound has high pitch, and if the frequency is low, the sound has low pitch. So, pitch is the sensation which helps a listener to distinguish between a high and a grave note. It depends upon the frequency. Faster the vibration of the source of sound, higher is the frequency and higher is the pitch. Higher pitch sound comprises of more number of compressions and rarefactions, as you seen in this figure. This is the low pitch sound. So, it is comprises of less number of compressions and rarefactions, and this is the high pitch sound. That's why it is comprises of more numbers of compressions and rarefactions. So, the faster the vibration of the source of sound, the higher is the frequency and higher is the pitch. So, a high pitch sound corresponds to more number of compressions and rarefactions passing a given point per unit time. The pitch of a female sound is higher than that of a man. So, this is the wave shape of a low pitch sound, and this is the wave shape of high pitch sound. As we know, low pitch sound has low frequency and high pitch sound has high frequency. So students, this is all about loudness and pitch. Thank you.